Engineering plays a central role in how Mitotec delivers value. Our sales and engineering teams work closely with customers from the earliest stages of a project, focusing on manufacturability, process stability, and long-term production success. Before production begins, designs are reviewed through a manufacturing lens. We evaluate tolerances, material selection, feature accessibility, and process sequencing to ensure parts can be produced efficiently and repeatably at scale. Using advanced modeling, simulation, and process planning tools, our team develops machining strategies that reduce variation, eliminate unnecessary operations, and improve overall reliability. Engineering at Mitotec is not isolated from the shop floor. Engineers work directly alongside production and quality teams to validate tooling approaches, optimize cycle strategies, and ensure inspection requirements align with real manufacturing conditions. This collaboration allows potential risks to be identified early, before they impact delivery, cost, or performance. While Mitotec is not a prototype-focused shop, we do support prototype and early-stage programs when they align with long-term production goals. Our focus is helping customers transition successfully from initial development into stable, repeatable manufacturing. That transition is often where programs succeed or struggle. Engineering ensures that what works once can work thousands or millions of times consistently. Fixture design, tooling strategy, and process standardization are developed with scalability in mind, allowing production to ramp smoothly while maintaining quality expectations. By integrating engineering, quality, and production from the beginning, we build processes that are understood, controlled, and sustainable. The goal is not simply to machine a part, but to build a manufacturing process capable of producing that part reliably over time. Because long-term success in manufacturing depends on process stability, not individual results.